Okay guys, so this is where we at. We're just here now trying to wait for it to dry a bit more before we can do the broom finish. Over here it wasn't in my contract to do, but I just touched it up because I thought it would make it look real nice. We'll carry off the steps. Yeah, so today we're here. I've been called out here to do a step repair. As you see here, this step is tearing apart. So our job is gonna, from here today, to take this step down and rebuild it. And we're gonna do a bit of a brick repair here as well. So I'm gonna walk you through the process of how to do this by yourself. If this is something that you're interested in learning to do by yourself, I'm gonna walk you through the process of how to frame it, how to steel it up, and how to finish your concrete. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this one. Let's dive right into it. We're gonna do the demolition now. We're gonna dig down this here. We're gonna cut here, cut off here, and dig down here, and then while we do this, we're on the box, focusing on getting down this. I'm gonna go to the harder and come back. Let's pick it off. So this is where we're at, guys. So you see, it's very important whenever you're doing your step to use rebar, because maybe if they did have rebar in this step here, it would prevent the cracking and the irritation that we have here with it. So just brushing the dust away, guys. You don't want to have no dust. Okay guys, it looks like we get all the loose dirt away. Now we're just preparing to start to build back. Speed spray, look at me now, this thing. Okay guys, so we're just gonna cut it in 5. Oh, 15 inches over here, guys. I'm gonna go with 15 there. Go chain back the blade. Olha. 12.5, guys, so 74, 75. Perfect. Just like that is how we're gonna do it. Just need to just support him now and we're good to go. Be wet with it. Good. Good for Canada, guys. We're getting there. Nice. So we're sloping our water down that way. And we have slope over here as well. You guys couldn't tell me that my level is in here. I didn't see it. Trying to cover my level up. Okay guys, so now we have our rebar in place. Now we're just gonna tie them together. Guys, if they did put rebar in the one that was here before, we wouldn't have this problem that we have now. Very important to put rebars. Get it done right and proper way, you know. No short corner. Okay guys, so we finish our rebar now. See, we'll have our rebar lined up nicely inside. We're just gonna put some strap, one strap there, one over here, and we're ready to go. So I leave my vibrator behind. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use my my jackhammer to try and ding it up a little bit. Guys, I did that I did that because I leave my vibrator. That helps to when you pull off your back, you have a nice unit. Guys, I leave a lot of tools today, man. Because I don't know what was going on with this morning. Guys, before this one was 10 inches and this one was 7 inches, so now we have both of them 8 inches. Very important to have all of your steps on the same height. I have my mark here where I'm going. Keep my mark right up top here. Trying to go with a 1% slope. Okay guys, so this is where we are. We're just here now trying to wait for it to dry a bit more before we can do the broom finish. Over here it wasn't in my contract to do, but I just touched it up because I thought it would make it look real nice. We'll carry off the steps. There you have it guys, hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more fun video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. And this one I didn't get to show you when I'm doing the broom finish, nor when I was doing the cure. The white thing that's on it now is a cure. It's slowly gonna come back to its natural color. But if you need to see that one, I have a concrete video where I'm going to link down in the description where you can see where I did the broom finishing and I'm spraying on the cure on the concrete here. It was night last night when I was doing it and I didn't get to film that because it was too dark. But hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more point of video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.